The Legal Committee of Parliament is scrutinizing the Marriage Bill 2024 that seeks to align with the 1995 Constitution. The mover of the bill, woman Member of Parliament Tororo Sarah Opendi, said it seeks to reform and consolidate the legislations on marriage that came before Uganda attained independence. The bill will address the issues of right to consent to marriage. Opendi explained to the committee why civil marriage is being defined as polygamous in the marriage bill.
It has been monogamous. So we were opening it up because this is state marriage, doesn't belong to any custom, doesn't belong to any religion. So we felt that we could accommodate the Visaka, that religion and others under that. But also aware that African polygamy is a reality in African settings.
The law seeks to not apply to the already married under civil marriage before the coming into force of this law. Now we should cater for those who will be in the process.
To avoid marrying in church, all of them will be going in for civil marriage. You can bring even 10 or 20 women. Imagine if that happens to your own daughter or your own granddaughter. How will you feel?
Statistics indicate that 65% of Ugandan couples are living together as husband and wife, but they are not married. The bill provides for property rights of these couples and children in this kind of relationship.
Where a man and a woman have lived together, acquired property together. However, along the way, the man decides to marry somebody else and leaves this woman with her children. But they have joint property. I mean, they have property they acquired together.
Criminalizing cohabitation. Come we stay. You are criminalizing it on one hand. And then the other side, those who are stubborn to remain in it, you want them presumably married.
MP Jonathan Odur questioned the removal of adultery as a ground for dissolution of marriage, a provision that had been included in previous legislation.
Leaving it general without specifications, I feel, is another form of injustice, especially to the people who seek to depend on it. Probably we could increase on the number of justifications and then put a general statement for others.
There are so many, and some even crop up that we never thought about.
Some MPs expressed concern about making marital counselling mandatory, as stated in the bill, arguing that it is already a common practice. They also raised issues about the requirement for individuals to give notice of their intention to marry and suggested this aspect be reconsidered. The mover of the bill, Sarah Opendi, conducted consultations with the Interreligious Council, NGOs, MPs, the Uganda Institution Services Bureau, and also benchmarked the bill with marriage laws in various countries. I'm Nafka Farid and Gloria Gwetabinji at Parliament.